I just recorded this whole intro. Girl's volume wasn't on, but I'm back. I said it every video, don't I know. I'm horrible. Let's just face it, I'm horrible at making videos. Like, I have one that I'm editing down, and then I just recorded this one, and let's just hope that they both could get up in the same week. Let's just pray. I'm telling y'all, it's hard when you're a mother of two little needy little girls. Sorry. I know, y'all probably like, you should have been ready coming into this intro. Don't be coming on here fixing your hair. I know, I'm sorry, y'all. I gotta fix it. But, anyways. It's hard when you got two kids and you work full time. It is so hard. Like, the moment I get a little me time, I want to sleep. Or, like, I don't know, I just want to do something other than doing anything. For real. Like, I literally have a child right here sitting right next to me. Y'all probably could hear her YouTube. She's watching YouTube videos. Then I have another child yelling my name. She's probably about to come in here in like 5 minutes. For news, what? I don't know. But I just act like I don't hear. But yeah, I got this look. I did this look for y'all. Like, let's get into it, honey. Can you see it? Honey. Hunty boo boo. I pulled out my creative little bag. Like, I've been wanting to do like a little halo. I feel like this was like my attempt on a halo eye. But like, whatever. I feel like it's bomb. I feel bomb. And y'all, let's get into this highlight. Because Learn to Glow by NYX. They was not coming to play with us, okay? Every bit of that, okay? So NYX, you did that, boo. You did that. This, I don't feel like this feel like drugstore. This don't look like no drugstore. Like, I look dripping. Like, if y'all, oh my gosh, have y'all heard everybody been into like the glass skin look, like where looks like you have like on no foundation, it's just like very natural, you just look wet and dewy. I miss y'all. Comment below your favorite thing. It's June 1st. I always like to tell y'all a date because I tell y'all a date that I'm actually recording, and then by the time I go up, y'all be like, hey, girl, that's a whole 3 months later. But hopefully this video and the video that I got that I'm editing, hopefully we can all get that up in the same week, okay? Let's just pray that God is with me on this editing. I'm trying to get my husband, I'm trying to talk him into being like my little editor, because he like doing stuff like that. That's the part I hate. I can make a video all day. I can make 10 videos. But you want me to sit down and edit them? And do some good editing? No, baby. So my hair, I'm loving it. It's actually a wig that I don't have glued down, so that's why I keep like tugging on it a little bit. That's why I got my little scarf on. This scarf, honey, beauty supply store, go get you one. Scarf is bomb. I feel like it gives me like Versace vibes a little bit, with a little bit Louis. I don't know why, like it's something about it. I don't know if it's the color. Yeah, kind of like Versace how, but Versace got some bright scarves out like this right now, I think. It's either them, it's one of these brands that got some bright colors like this for their silk scarves. And it's giving me all types of vibes, okay? All types of vibes. All types of vibes. Look at it, trying to pick out and show y'all a little something. But yeah, girl, hair supply store, go to your local beauty supply. You know what I'm trying to, and you know, like these scarves, I used to always think they was like church scarves. Because they in the same section where they got the little old lady scarves that you can wear to church, or like handkerchiefs. That's where this was at. But yeah, go get you one, because it's bomb. And then stay tuned so you can see how I got this look. Thank you. Oh, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And go follow your girl on Twitter, even though I'm not too active. But on Twitter and on Instagram. Instagram, I'm real active. So go follow me at TrineeLynette. And let's drop right into it.